So how to define your ideal customer in your digital marketing. I'm Richard Dawson, I'm a digital marketing coach, and this is my weekly digital marketing update. So last time we talked about a simple exercise that really help you focus on targeting the right customers, so you don't waste time and money talking to the wrong people. And that was called creating a customer persona. That's a document that describes your ideal customer, or perhaps more than one of them. And I want to cover this in a little bit more detail. Specifically, I want to talk about how you organize that information. So firstly, you want to decide how many customer personas that you have. There may be several types. Secondly, you want to segment those by industry type. Thirdly, you want to sort your personas by job title. And fourthly, you want to create a name and a story for each of those personas. If you leave a comment in this video, I'll send you a simple customer persona template so you get an idea of what they look like and what information that you're trying to collect. In the meantime, if you need the best digital marketing results, motivation and confidence for you and or your team, and you need my help, get in touch with me in the usual ways. You can find me on Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter, or of course find my website, Cheshire Digital Marketing. It's really going to help me if you'd like, comment, share and subscribe wherever you see this video. I really appreciate you watching all the way through to the end, and I'll see you next time.